Cheryl Wood. I done messed your name up so many times. Welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for having me.
Good, good. Now, you're going to be at the Rendezvous this Thursday.
I'm very excited about being there.
Okay, what do you do?
Well, as you mentioned, I'm Cheryl Wood. I am the founder and owner of Moms Are the Best, and I launched the business in June of last year simply as an inspirational ladies t-shirt company. Since
Moms are the best.
Moms are the best.
What about dads?
Yeah, they're okay too, but
That's that bulge, yeah.
You know, I love saying this saying from James Brown. You know, this is a man's world, but hey, what would you guys do without a woman?
Yeah, that was
girl?
a sexist comment.
Uh-huh.
You know, I asked my brother for the words to one of James' songs. He said James didn't even know the words.
You got that right. But anyway, you can find us on the web at www.momsarethebest.com. I'm going to spell that out. It's MOMS, the letter R, THEBEST.com. And we're on all the social media sites. We're on Facebook, we're on LinkedIn and Twitter at Moms Are the Best.
Now, you hiked it all the way up here to Woodlawn, Baltimore County. From where today?
Upper Marlboro, Maryland.
Prince George's County.
Hey, but I am a native Baltimorean, okay?
It's all good. Well, let me ask you this. In terms of this business networking, and again, while we're featuring the women this month, women entrepreneurs, women professionals, what is the significance? I mean, I love Prince George's County, the richest black jurisdiction in the country. You better have some friends in Prince George's County, just like you better have some white friends. And white friends better get some black friends.
Right.
What's the significance of connecting? Come on, George, you can jump in if you want.
Well, I'm going to jump in on this one.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited about the networking opportunities because it's ironic that you have Deborah on the line
How
today,
so?
because she really presented to me one of my initial networking opportunities at the Winter Summit, where I was actually awarded as the 2010 Outstanding Businesswoman of the Year.
Sell yourself.
Okay, and that conference and expo was phenomenal because here you had people like myself who are trying to grow a business to be successful, all the way to millionaire women that you're rubbing shoulders with who are giving you information to help you be successful.
Mm-hmm.
You know, a lot of times people don't want to share information. They're kind of stingy and tight-lipped on the information.
Especially in Baltimore.
Okay. And a lot of times with women. But this was totally the opposite.
I think women befriend each other quicker than men do.
Befriend, yeah. Well, that's what they say sometimes. But that doesn't mean that they're always really rooting for you. But that's a different topic.
Cat Williams said if you got 15 haters, you need to find out how you can get 25 by the summer.
But this event, it really did provide an opportunity to rub shoulders with and to get valuable information from successful professional businesswomen who want you to grow the way they have grown.
Let me ask you this. Were you a good student?
I was a decent student, yes.
What schools?
Actually, at Mervo, hey. Mervo, and actually I went directly from high school into corporate America. I didn't even go to college. I was in that position where I had to get out and get a job and start helping mama pay those bills. But I've been fortunate to be able to represent myself in such a manner that I've been able to grow to the level that I am.
Okay.
That I'm at now. And I am now the mother of a 6-year-old daughter. And so for me, it's important to encourage, inspire, and empower her to really create a path of economic independence through entrepreneurship. That is really my mission, is to empower young girls and women and moms to get out there, pursue your dream, live your life to the fullest. And here's how you can do it, through entrepreneurship.
Good deal.